When you invest in real estate, it's not just about finding the right property and maximizing cash flow. It's also about taking advantage of the tax breaks available to you as an investor. Today, we're going to cover 5 key tax breaks every real estate investor in Kansas City should know about. These strategies can help you reduce your tax liability, keep more money in your pocket, and make your investments more profitable. The first tax break you need to be aware of is depreciation. Depreciation allows you to deduct the cost of your rental property over time, even though the property itself may actually appreciate in value. The IRS assumes that buildings lose value over time due to wear and tear, so they let you deduct a portion of the property's value each year. For residential properties, you can depreciate the building over 27.5 years. This is a major benefit because it's a non-cash expense. You're deducting an amount for depreciation without actually spending any money. Depreciation can reduce your taxable income significantly and is one of the biggest tax advantages of real estate investing. The second tax break is for repairs and maintenance. Any money you spend on maintaining and repairing your rental property is tax deductible. This includes things like fixing a leaky roof, replacing a broken water heater, or even smaller repairs like repainting a room. It's important to distinguish between repairs, which can be deducted in the year they're incurred, and improvements, which have to be depreciated over time. If you're making minor repairs to keep the property in good shape, you can deduct those expenses immediately, which reduces your taxable income for the year. Next up, let's talk about mortgage interest. If you have a loan on your rental property, you can deduct the interest you pay on that mortgage. For many investors, this is a huge deduction, especially in the early years of the loan when interest payments are high. This tax break can save you thousands of dollars, especially if you own multiple properties. Just make sure you keep good records of your mortgage payments and work with your accountant to claim the full deduction. Mortgage interest is often one of the biggest expenses for real estate investors, so taking advantage of this deduction is crucial to reducing your tax liability. The fourth tax break is for property taxes and insurance. Both property taxes and the insurance premiums you pay to protect your rental property are fully deductible. You can deduct the full amount of property taxes paid during the year, along with any premiums for hazard or liability insurance. These deductions may not seem like much on their own, but when you add them together with other expenses, they can make a big impact on your overall tax bill. Finally, let's talk about the 1031 exchange, a powerful tax deferral strategy. A 1031 exchange allows you to sell a rental property and reinvest the proceeds into another like-kind property without paying capital gains taxes at the time of the sale. This means you can defer paying taxes on the sale of a property as long as you reinvest in another qualifying property within a certain time frame. It's one of the best tools for real estate investors who want to grow their portfolio without having to pay taxes on the profits from each sale. Keep in mind, though, that the rules for 1031 exchanges are strict, so it's important to work with a tax professional or a 1031 exchange specialist to make sure you follow the guidelines and avoid any penalties. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we understand how important these tax breaks are for real estate investors. We specialize in helping investors maximize their tax benefits while managing their properties effectively. From handling repairs and maintenance to keeping detailed records for your tax deductions, we've got you covered. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To sum it up, understanding and utilizing these tax breaks can make a significant difference in the profitability of your real estate investments. From depreciation and repair deductions to mortgage interest and the power of a 1031 exchange, these strategies will help you keep more money in your pocket and reduce your overall tax burden. If you're looking for help managing your properties or navigating the complexities of real estate tax deductions, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.